Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to Peap Wi-Fi. First, ensure you have your network's name, your username, and your password ready. Peap, or Protected Extensible Authentication Protocol, provides enhanced security for wireless connections. You will typically find these settings within your device's Wi-Fi menu. Let's go through the steps to get you securely connected to your network. Once you've selected your network, you'll encounter several configuration options. For the EAP method, choose Peap. Then, for Phase 2 authentication, select MSHA-2. Unless your network administrator provides a specific certificate, set the CA certificate option to Do Not Validate or Unspecified. Finally, input your unique username into the identity field and your password into the password field. If you encounter issues, first check your device's date and time for accuracy, as this can sometimes affect secure connections. If the connection still fails, try forgetting the network and re-entering all details. Double-check that the network name, or SSID, is spelled precisely. For persistent problems or unique network requirements, your network administrator is the best resource for tailored assistance. To maintain strong security, always use robust and unique passwords for your Peap Wi-Fi. Exercise caution with unfamiliar or unsecured networks to protect your data. Regularly updating your device's operating system helps patch security vulnerabilities. Peap creates a secure tunnel, protecting your credentials during authentication, making it a reliable choice for enterprise-level wireless security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.